this phone is actually a phone that is that has been designed. The design and craftsmanship that has gone into this phone has been really, really comprehensive. And of course, the colors that we have, the midnight blue color that we have, and that's where we saw the association with Pankaj and Nidhi. The color, the design, the craftsmanship, the detail that they have put into their collection. It was an absolutely fantastic event. Thank you very much for the collaboration and congratulations on a great show. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mehta. Pankaj and Nidhi, you all are known for your razor sharp, techniques. You're known for those beautiful eye to detailing collections and creations. When Nokia approached you all for such a stellar show, what was your reaction to it? And they said that the new phone is going to be the inspiration behind it. Could you walk us through, what were the inspirations that we can see in each and every collection?
Yes, we were sent a super secret. We were sent a super secret glimpse into the phone to be inspired. And we were sent this design brief, which was, I must say, really international, very sleek, very cool. And the best part of that was that they said that our color is midnight blue, and we just love the color blue. It's beautiful for evening wear, it's beautiful for occasion wear. And the phone has this very sleek, full front and back glass body. And we love to work with glossy textures and this patent texture that we have used, and a lot of sequin embellishments in new modern ways. And this really gelled beautifully with us. And I think the partnership just was made to work. I mean, it just happened really beautifully, and we're very thrilled with that.
And the fact that you have such a stunning showstopper.
Can't be better. I think I have to pinch myself. She is, of course, such a gifted actress. We are so lucky that we have her in India. She is going to make us so proud in the coming year. She already has 3 national awards. I mean, everyone knows she's terrific. And to top that, she is so fashionable. She is a dream come true to dress. So we are just totally thrilled.
Thank you so much. Kangana, you look absolutely stunning, right from your makeup to the entire outfit. And the fact that you take the ramp like as though it's every other day. I mean, you just like strutted your stuff on the ramp. You look so completely confident and so comfortable in the clothes. Could you let us know what was it like, the special moment for you walking for Pankaj and Nidhi and obviously Nokia 6.1 Plus?
Well, for my look, the credit definitely goes to Pankaj and Nidhi and my team, Anil and Divya, who've done my hair and makeup and entire styling and everything. But honestly, if I look comfortable, I am comfortable because the best thing about their garments is that it's not just for editorials or for ramp walk. It's for real people to wear, for your everyday events or personal engagements or your parties or festivals. And so I just feel that they're not just beautiful, they're not just edgy, elegant, but they're very practical. And for me, like coming out of a box for the first time, like it was a bit nerve-wracking when they were pushing the box to the stage. But to be honest, the concept, I love the concept. I am the new phone Nokia launched. I love the idea. And yes, what a gorgeous phone to be, and the whole inspiration and the whole amalgamation of technology with creativity, and how they've worked for months to bring it together. And like they said, how they got inspired with the real glass phone. And if you see the patent leather, it just looks a replica of that glass. So it's just so beautifully put together, and the details. And I'm so lucky to be able to come last minute and to be a part of the party. So I just feel that I've been very fortunate. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kangana. That's all for me. I'm going to open the floor to questions. Media, if you have any.
Mr. Ajay, my question is to you. What does it mean to have such a stunning showstopper like Kangana walking the show for Nokia 6.1 Plus?
Oh, it's a privilege. It's an absolute privilege. I don't think there's more I can say. I think we are extremely lucky to have had her, and thank you very much for agreeing to be the showstopper for Nokia. I think she's the best there is. It's a privilege.
Oh, thank you, guys.
Mr. Mehta, what makes Pankaj and Nidhi's collection stand out?
So, I think when I was speaking to Nidhi prior to the show and Pankaj, they talked about the 3 C's. They talked about being contemporary. Help me out here. Contemporary. They talked about the colors, and they talked about the craftsmanship. Okay, so when it comes to Nokia, there's a lot of effort that goes into the design and craftsmanship of our phones. We have a legacy in Scandinavia, and that's where everything emerges. And this time with the Nokia 6.1 Plus, we were specifically focused on getting the midnight blue color out. And the range that Pankaj and Nidhi churned out during the show was absolutely astonishing. So I think it was a fantastic collaboration.
कंगना जी रैंप वॉक को लेकर बहुत ही पुराना रिश्ता है आपको तो आप जब भी आप रैंप करती हैं तो कोई ऐसी पुरानी यादें ताज़ा हो जाती हैं आपकी?
Yeah, definitely. I remember my days of fashion. I think that's the only film where I played a supermodel, and I used to rehearse a lot because I didn't have any modeling background, and I've never modeled before, especially the ramps and all. So I used to rehearse a lot, and now when I do these walks, it definitely takes me back to those days.
तब आपने सोचा था कि इतना सब कुछ होने वाला है इंटरव्यू होगा मीडिया रैंप वॉक
When I was young, well, definitely I didn't have any guarantee, but I hoped that I get accepted, and I hoped, and that's what I like. I remember in the nights, I used to be rehearsing in the nights, like how I used to. I was a science student, so I was really into working hard. So I used to wake up in the night. I used to get really nervous and wake up in the nights and just wear really high heels and like sort of try and impersonate the catwalk that I see on fashion TV. So I remember working very hard and hoping that I make it someday. Yeah.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.